trying to access your routers or firewall settings, but the usual addresses like 192.168.1.1 aren't working. Your router might be using a less common gateway, like 192.168.1.99. If that's the case, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate router or firewall default settings. To get default login username and password, check router or firewall label. Step 2. Connect to your firewall or router. First, connect your computer, laptop, or phone to the router or firewall from LAN port or using default Wi-Fi if accessing Wi-Fi router. Step 3. Access router settings. Open a browser and type 192.168.1.99 in the address bar and press enter. You will get firewall or router login page. Use default username and password to login. If first-time login, router or firewall may ask to create new login password. Once logged in, if firewall device, then you need to configure internet settings first. And for Wi-Fi router, go to wireless settings from left side menu. And change 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi SSID. And save settings. After SSID name change, you need to connect again your mobile or laptop and go to security option from left side menu and change Wi-Fi password. After save settings, you need to connect all Wi-Fi device again with new Wi-Fi name and password. Troubleshooting. If 192.168.1.99 doesn't work, check your firewall or modem's correct IP. Ensure you're connected to the modem's network. Disable VPN or proxy servers. If you are trying to log an access point or network switch or any other device that does not support DHCP, use manual static IP address, same series as device default login IP address. In your PC LAN settings, if login IP address 192.168.1.99, use 192.168.1.10 in PC or laptop LAN settings and try access again. If still can't access IP address, reset the modem. Locate reset button backside or bottom side. Use pen or paper clip to press button. Hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Router will restore to default settings. Login and set up again. That's it. You're now in control of your network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more login guide. Thanks for watching.